This is the moment you've all been waiting for. Well, maybe you haven't, but boy, we have. It's the almost moment we've been waiting for. Wait, how does that work? Hey everybody, welcome back to the Renewed Homestead. I'm Ben, and that is a gas regulator. I know that doesn't sound like that exciting a news, but it is really exciting. I'm taking you over here real quick. That is our propane tank. That is stage 1 regulator there. I just showed you stage 2 regulator. And let me take you inside and show you what that all means. Okay, what that means, we've got our gas line. We are pressure tested. That is our new Rinnai tankless water heater. Unlimited hot water. We can take a shower that lasts more than 5 minutes without it trickling down and getting cold. Soon anyway. But with that done, and I'll show you a picture. Our friend, neighbor, and plumber Clifford was out, and we hooked up the water from the well house to the house. So we have water in here now. When the gas company came out to put the regulators in, got that all done, they couldn't pressure test, of course, because we didn't have the water in. And then I have to real quick put a socket in here so we can plug in the tankless water heater. They just come back out, plug it all in, make sure it's working. That's probably, they'll be here 10 minutes at worst. But the bigger picture, the more exciting, well, I can't say more exciting news. It's just exciting. It's just, I'm almost beside myself. We placed the order Tuesday, this coming Tuesday, a week from yesterday. Lowe's will be delivering our drywall. It's a lot of drywall. So that'll be here Tuesday. Wednesday, the crew is coming in to do the drywall, the ceiling, the walls, the works. So what does that mean? Besides we're giddy with excitement, it also means that everything's got to be out of here. The old fridge and freezer, the tools, the mock-up sink, that is the kitchen sink that we've got ready to be plugged in as soon as the drywall's in, so we have some kind of function in here. But then, of course, we'll have to, before we can fully move in, we need a toilet, which over there in those boxes, 2 brand new toilets. 2 bathrooms, 2 toilets. Makes sense. Anyway. But we'll need the toilets in, we'll need a sink in, and then one of the 2 showers needs to get done so we can shower inside. I think whether the shower's done or not in here, as long as there's a sink and a toilet, we will, once the drywall's up, we're going to put a bed up in here and start staying in here and, you know, just run out to the RV to take our showers until the shower is done. But that's got to get done. Anyway, so running a couple more loads of laundry here. Once they test that gas line, then, sorry, I'm wandering you through here. Then I got to go, whoop, right in here. Got all the old copper pipes that run underneath. This all has to be cut out and out of the way. Obviously, the old washer and dryer used to be on this side of the wall, but it's on that side, so we've been able to use it. Laundry going right now. There's just a lot to do. Thank goodness it's a 3-day weekend, because I'm going to need every one of those days to get all the stuff out of here. And Clifford also brought up another point, thinking ahead, and I try to stay ahead of things. I think I'm thinking through stuff. Do a lot of that thinking at 3 in the morning when I wake up going, oh, I need to do this and this and this and this and this and this. Next thing I know, it's 5:30 in the morning. I'm up and making coffee. Clifford brought up, he's like, you've got 12-foot long drywall sheets coming in. I don't think you're going to be able to go through the back door, through the laundry room, and swing it past the fireplace here. So we're going to have to go in the front door. Well, I don't know if you remember, but out the front door is where the fireplace, the old fireplace, all the blocks went. A lot of the tools, a lot of the stuff that has come out of the house. Oh, bright. I know you can see behind me here, but anyway, so we got the table saw, we've got the great big stones that used to be the fireplace in there. Dog kennel from when we were, bottle feeding that baby that didn't survive, the baby sheep. Scrap lumber. Behind there are a couple of the old countertops, or not counters, but actual cabinets from the old kitchen. But we're going to need to get this cleared out because we're figuring they're going to have to drive that drywall around the back side of the house, down the side, through the front yard, and in here. Well, obviously, we still have a lot of construction material here, but we want to go in through that front door. That will be Tuesday. So, I got my work cut out for me. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. We are so very excited. You're so very blocked out by that sun. Let me come up here. All right. There we go. Oh, isn't this a great backdrop? Not. You can see this is the old wall-mounted AC unit. They went through the old porch light. Anyway, I got to get that out of here too. That's going down to my shop. That'll go in to my office. But that's the news for the moment. Like I said, we are just truly excited. We can see, I don't want to say the light at the end of the tunnel, but we've certainly got the gas line done, the water lines in, a couple of adjustments with the water, not a big deal. Get the gas company back out to test that and get the drywall on Tuesday. They'll start installing on Wednesday. And then the following weekend, maybe we'll actually move a few things in. We'll see. Hopefully it all happens that quickly. But anyway, wanted to bring you along. As always, we appreciate you guys. Make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe. Be good to yourselves. Be good to each other. Get those pets spayed and neutered. This ending is getting longer and longer each time, isn't it? Anyway, thanks everybody. Take care. God bless. Bye.